I feel numb, born with a weak heart. I guess I must be having fun. The less we say about it, the better. Make it up as we go along. Feet on the ground, head in the sky. It's okay, I know nothing's wrong, nothing. Hey, I got plenty of time. Hey, you got light in your eye, and you're standing here beside me. I love the passage of time. Never for money, always for love. Cover up and say goodnight. Say goodnight. Hey guys, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com, and today I'll show you how I'm playing This Must Be the Place by Talking Heads on the ukulele. It's a pretty simple song, probably the simplest in the last few months on this channel, so let's not waste time and just jump right in. Alright, so we need just 3 different chords. We need the chord of G, then we need the chord of A minor 7, which is just all the strings open, and finally we need the chord of B minor 7, which is just barring on the 2nd fret all the strings. Alright, and throughout the whole song we are repeating just one chord progression, which is G to A minor 7 to B minor 7 to A minor 7. Okay? And the strumming I'm doing is something like down, 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 down. Basically, I'm just accenting more on the 3rd time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't focus too much on how many ups and downs, but just put more stress on the 3rd time. At least this is how I'm doing it, I don't know. You can do it your own way, feel free. Home is where I want to be, but I guess I'm already there. And pretty much that sums up the song. This is probably the quickest tutorial I've done in, I don't know, years. It's a really nice song though. Anyway, so yeah, that was the quick tutorial for This Must Be the Place, Talking Heads. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, request songs in the comments below, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.